Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, February 24th, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. We have our units retake coming up on Friday. And this is our final opportunity. First period math does not have any homework. Everyone else has practice 8.3a. In honors math, we've got 8.4 or 8.5. In science, we have a worksheet called Energy Agents. This is a a piece of paper that you have to use the pamphlet that you were given last week in terms of energy. Social studies, we have our India reading number 2. Language arts, there is no homework. And in literature, we have a library tomorrow, so please go through and bring any books that you may have to check out or to return, but then to also renew if you need or we get new books. Also, don't forget to order your yearbook. You can follow the link right here. And we can get that done as the special pricing ends, the early bird discount this week. So please make sure that you're taking advantage of it. That's going to be it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Monday.